Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the source. On the iPhone, open Settings and go straight to Personal Hotspot. Turn Allow others to join on so the phone broadcasts. Make sure mobile data is active because the hotspot uses that connection, otherwise Android won't get internet. Once done, note the network name and the Wi-Fi password displayed. You'll need them exactly, capitalization matters. If you prefer, set a simple temporary password, now so typing on the Android is faster and less error-prone. On the Android device, open Wi-Fi settings and scan for the iPhone's SSID you just noted. Tap that network and type the password exactly as shown on the iPhone. Mismatched characters are the most common failure. Once connected, Android may ask to confirm whether to use that network for internet. Accept it. If you rely on VPNs or data saver modes, temporarily disable them because they can prevent the hotspot from routing traffic. This ensures apps load and the connection is validated quickly. Finish by testing internet access. Open a web page or run a short speed test to confirm the Android is using the iPhone's data. If pages don't load, first toggle the iPhone hotspot off and on, then toggle Android Wi-Fi. Rebooting either device often clears stubborn states. Make sure you entered the password correctly and that the carrier allows tethering on your plan. If Wi-Fi pairing fails repeatedly, try USB tethering or Bluetooth PAN as alternate methods. They bypass Wi-Fi compatibility quirks and conserve battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.